Hello friends, I am Suchi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about guttation. Here we will know what is guttation, what are the plants part involved in this process, their anatomy and mechanism behind this process. Let's start. As you know, excess amount of water lost by plant through stomata in the form of water vapor by transpiration process. This transpiration process occur during daytime because during daytime the stomata are open. When stomata are closed, there will be no transpiration process. Suppose environmental condition is as such to restrict this transpiration process, or at high humid atmospheric condition, there will be no transpiration process. If there will be no transpiration process, then there will be no water loss. Then how this excess amount of water will lost by plant? This excess amount of water loss by plant in the form of water drops by a specific process. That specific process is known as guttation. This water drops appears at the marginal part of the certain plant's leaves. Suppose this is one leaf. At its marginal part, in this part, water droplets appears at the early morning of cool night following by hot days. During early morning, you will see certain water droplets appear at marginal part of certain leaves. This appearance of water drops is known as guttation. This process is carried out by certain or specific internal organ. That internal organ is known as hydatodes. These hydatodes present at marginal part, in this part, these hydatodes are present, or at the end of the vein or veinlets, these hydatodes are present, which is helping in this process. So, in transpiration process, water loss in the form of water vapor, but in guttation process, water loss occur in the form of water drops. Here, stomata are helping in this transpiration process, but in guttation process, hydatodes are the specific organs present in certain specific type of leaves. They are helping in this process. You will find these hydatodes in certain angiospermic plant like rose, you can take vitis, colocasia, sisal, tomato. So these are the example of angiospermic plant which contains hydatodes which is helping in this guttation process. If you see its anatomy, it is a large size tissue, appear bell jar like structure. Its outermost layer is epidermis. This is the layer of epidermis. Inner to epidermis, number of layers of cell are also present. Like this. This is the cuticle. At its central part, number of tracheids are present. These tracheids are type of xylem, which is a type of conducting tissue which helps to conduct water and minerals from soil to different part of the plants. At the end of the tracheids, large number of large cells arranged loosely having intercellular spaces. This group of cells are filled with water. It contains water. This group of cells are type of external glandular tissue as they belongs to epidermal part of the plant's leaves. This group of cell, that's why named as epithem. These are the epithems. First we will label it. This is the epithem. This is the tracheid. This layer is epidermis. These are the layers of cell. Above to epithem, there is a large air cavity. This air cavity open outwards through a pore which is guarded by two guard cell. This is one guard cell. Another side, another one guard cell also there. This is air cavity. This is the pore. This one is the guard cell. This guard cell are not having chloroplast, do not have chloroplast, and both the guard cell are always turgid in condition. Always turgid. Due to turgidity, both the guard cell swell and form a pore or mouth-like structure through which water moves from epithem to outside of the plant's leaves. In normal stomata, both the guard cell regulates their opening and closing. As they contains chloroplast, photosynthesis process also occur in both the guard cell. Now we will understand how this hydatodes helps in this guttation process. Suppose this is one plant, these are the branches, here are the root. This is the soil part, these are the root, here are the branches, these are the leaves. When excess amount of water available in soil and high humid atmospheric condition, what will happen? There will be difference in concentration gradient of water both in soil and plant cell. Soil will contain more water concentration compared to plant cell. Then what will happen? Water will move from higher concentration to lower concentration. First we will make a broader picture, then we can understand. These are the roots, this is the soil part. Here water concentration is more. Water concentration is more compared to plant cell. Here conducting tissue is present, which is xylem. Here water concentration is more in soil compared to plant cell. Now water will move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So now water will move inside the cell through this root. Along with water, ions and minerals also will move to achieve equilibrium inside the plant cell, which will create one pressure. That pressure is hydrostatic pressure. It will create one pressure due to inward movement of water and minerals. This hydrostatic pressure, also known as root pressure, which is positive. Due to positive root pressure, this water and mineral which moves from soil to plant cell will move upward. Water move upward through this xylem. Tracheids is a type of xylem, or it's a part of xylem. Now this tracheid also carry this water and mineral. Through these tracheids, this epitheme contains water and minerals. So here this epitheme filled with water, along with water, minerals also there. This mineral containing water will remove. So here water plus ions plus different type of minerals are removed through this hydrothores. That's why we can tell this one is, or Guttation water is a sap. It is the only function of hydrothores which is removing of excess water. Its only help in this guttation process. That's why this hydrathodes also known as water stomata. Excess amount of water will be available and high humid atmospheric condition. In this condition, this guttation rate will be high. When dry atmospheric condition plus less amount of mineral present in soil. In these two cases, guttation rate will be low. Guttation rate will be low. This is all about guttation. Hope you understand. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.